Still daytime outside, you can see that. It's still 7. Doesn't get dark until 8:30 probably. It gets dark around 8:36. That's when it's gonna start getting dark. What is that noise? Never mind, I don't really care about that noise. What I really care is that I don't want this video to get messed up. Meaning that I don't want nobody to ruin this video. Pause the camera for a second. Alright, this is what parts they have in the tank. Alright, let's flush the toilet. Here we go. Right, put the tank back on. There we go. Okay, I need to make sure of it. Alright, you need to make sure to see the tank is fully back on. There, it's fully back on. Alright, let's pause the camera now, so let's do this.